Have you ever been like really annoyed where you can't like really stand the thought of like it annoying you? You know, just just like the hiccups annoying me right now. And the real thing is, I don't really want to like hold my breath or anything, or drink some water because I don't really care. I think it's funny how it annoys me because I don't really let anyone annoy me actually. And I'm pretty sure I have mono again. How disgusting is that? I mean like I haven't like done anything for the past like 4 to 6 weeks that could have caused me to have mono, except for I made up with my girlfriend this past weekend. But I don't really get it. Like, I don't know. I think I stopped hiccuping. But one of the most annoyingest things you could ever do, like when you're around me, is like labeling people. I mean, seriously, get over yourself. I mean, do you want someone to label you and stuff? Do you want someone to be like, oh my god, there's a faggot. Oh my god, there's a valley girl. Oh my god, there's such a stupid cheerleader. I mean, I know we get lumped into this category, and sometimes we don't really like it. Just like I get lumped into the gross homosexuals category, and I am gay. I'm a lesbian, and I'm not afraid to admit that. But I'm not disgusting. I don't flirt with a lot of people, and I don't like make out with my girlfriend in public where people can see and be like, oh my god, that is so fucking gross. Oh my god, I think I just threw up on my mouth a little bit. Seriously, get over yourself. And another thing is that I mean, we homosexuals, we have feeling, and when you insult us, that really hurts our feeling. And whenever y'all call us names, I mean, we may not look like we're hurt right off the bat, but when we go home, when we think about it a little bit more, and then it's gonna start to hit us. I mean, come on, man, get a life, get over yourself. And another thing is that when people are very accepting of, you know, gay people, just like parents that are very closed-minded, like my mom. I mean, like, she doesn't really accept the fact that I'm gay, and I don't really care because it's my life. I can do whatever I want with it. I mean, if I end up fucking it up, so be it, you know? I just do that with everyone. Like, if you fuck up your life, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. There's no reset button anywhere. You can't just reset your life all the way back to level 1, you know? And I just don't get it when gay people have parents that are not very accepting, and then they end up like hurting their feelings and making their self-esteem go really low. I mean, these are the ones that really has the tendency to kill themselves or to hurt other people. I mean, in a society like this, we have to deal with changes, because every single year we go through changes. Every 4 years we get a new president. Every year we get technology that makes our lives much more better, but it can make our lives hell too. But I don't really get it. I mean, it's been like, it's like the 21st century. Seriously, people, you get over it. You get used to the change that people are making. Get used to the change that people are making for themselves to improve and to have a much better life than they did in their childhood years. I mean, if my mom, she doesn't really accept it, like after I turn 18, and I'm like, Mom, I'm a lesbian. You said I can be a lesbian after I turn 18. If she doesn't accept it, I'm just gonna be like, okay, I mean, you do that. I'll just go my own way, and I'll just try to take whatever life throws at me. I don't know. But I'm just like, if you're not gonna accept me, and I'm your flesh and blood, and you're not gonna accept me, I'm not gonna waste my time trying to be perfect for you and trying to live up to your standards, because that's not who I am. If you want me to be fake, I'm sorry. But yeah, and I also have mono again. Did I mention that? It sucks. I don't want to go to the doctor, because if I do go to the doctor, my mom's gonna be like, oh my god, you were making out with that girl from the filthy. Seriously, shut up. Really, shut up. And also, I don't really want to go to the doctor, because all you have to do over there, if you have mono, you have to get blood work, and you have to get one of those Q-tips that the doctor like shoves up your nose, and they like swab it all around. It's disgusting. It really hurts too, and I don't really like whenever you have to go to the doctor, and they say, "Do you think you have strep?" You go, "Yeah, my throat hurts," and then they get this huge Q-tip that's like this long, and they get like that little popsicle stick, and they like put it down, and they just do, and you're like, oh my god, and it makes your throat really dry. So that's why I don't really like going to the doctor, because of that. And also, it's quite embarrassing when they ask you when did you have your period, when was the last time you had your period. I mean, I know you want to know, or I know you need to know, but seriously, did you really have to ask me that in front of my mom? Really? So, yeah, that's about it. I might have to go to the doctor tomorrow. So wish me luck,